All right, what's up? This is the 22R early style block, and we're gonna be tearing it down and doing a rebuild. So this is the start of the rebuild. So this is the bare block. Again, it's the early style, and this is gonna be going into my 1982 Toyota pickup. So yep, we're gonna tear it apart, see how it looks. But this is the core that's going to be used. So the history on this, it has 180,000 miles, and it was burning oil, significant amounts of oil, about a quart every gas fill up with no leaks. So yeah, we can expect something to be going on the inside. So anyway, we got the Chilton manual here. That's what we're following. Not really super necessary. It's all pretty straightforward, but they have some good information here, including like the loosening sequence there. So just gonna take our time and start taking it apart. So we'll start with the head here. We're gonna have to take off the timing chain, and then we'll go for the head bolts and make sure we get that bolt down there. That goes into the water pump here and the timing cover. So yeah, we'll start there. All right, so we got our head bolts out. We got our gear that goes on the timing chain off, our two bolts there, and then the rocker assembly. So at this point, a couple whacks of the hammer, the rubber hammer, of course, and it should come off. So we're gonna try and do that, see what happens. All right, so we got the head off. We didn't need to take off the camshaft. For some reason, the manual here tells you to, and then quickly realized that that does not matter. Anyways, this is what we're looking at. A lot of carbon, as to be expected. Cylinder walls, though, and these two, cylinder 2 and 3, are looking really nice, actually. Have to inspect it some more. So next I need to see if I have a bolt that fits in here, and then we can crank this bitch over. Maybe we can do it by hand, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go forth, take the timing cover off, get all that out of the way, and then we'll start with the oil pan and then hit the pistons. All right, so we got the timing cover off. We also got the oil pan off. So all we're left with is this. So I'm gonna just take off all that stuff right there, and then we'll go ahead and pop these pistons out. So we have everything ready to take the pistons out. We're gonna take out the sub pump here for the oil, the pickup tube. It's on there. Oh. Okay guys, so we got all of our parts lined up on the table, got the pistons out. The cylinder walls, we were just checking them out. They don't look that bad. There's a couple scratches, some light scratches, and I'll show you guys that soon, but that will be decided by a machine shop how bad it really is, because I am not an expert. So yeah, we're gonna take out the crankshaft and then just give that like a visual. Check out these pistons. All right, we're gonna do that crank. Okay guys, so this block has been stripped. We got our crank. A little bit of wear that's visible. Again, I don't know really what's good and what's bad. I'm just going off what I'm seeing. Cylinder walls. Not bad. This one has a scratch. You can see right there. It's a good little scratch. I can feel it. And you can see there's a little bit, hard to see, maybe a little bit of a couple scratches in there. This one's the worst. This one does have a little bit of a feeling, but very smooth overall. This one, not a whole lot. Again, they all kind of have some minor wear, which I do not know how bad it really is, but we're gonna find out. So this block has been stripped, and now I can take the block and the head, once the head is disassembled, to the machine shop, figure out how this block's looking, what it needs, and probably get the crank polished, maybe get the cam polished, whatever little things might add into the list, and kind of go from there. But yeah, this is a good start. Everything's disassembled, organized, all that, and we got ourselves a nice bare block. So yeah, so far so good. We're gonna keep going on it, and I will update you guys along the way. But that's it for now on the breakdown. And yeah, just gonna get it cleaned, inspected. That's where we're going from here. And then next, I'm gonna tackle this head.